Dr. Simi Manocha, and I am a Associate Director in Cardiology at Asian Institute of Medical Sciences at Faridabad. So welcome to this COVID-19. We've all been away. The patient-doctor contact has been minimal during this period. This is actually a new situation for all of us, for you being the patient and I being the doctor, because this kind of situation we have never faced in our lifetimes. And things are new to us, but we are learning every day from experiences which people are having abroad as well as in India now. So this situation, this particular message which I wanted to give was basically for my diabetic patients. In this scenario, every day you hear in the news or in television that this particular COVID-19 infection is affecting people who have diabetes, who have hypertension, or who have asthma, or any other comorbid condition, maybe high creatinine. So every time you hear the news, diabetic patients, they have a situation of panic. But I just wanted to speak to you that there is no need to panic. You better be calm, relaxed, and follow a good lifestyle so that you are protected from this infection, and also your blood sugar levels remain under control. So I just have some general instructions for my patients which they should follow in this novel COVID-19 situation. This is a little different. This scenario is a little different because all of us are locked down at home. We are not following our normal lifestyle, our routine. We are away from our workplaces. The normal walking or gym sessions which we all were having, that situation is also not there because we are basically not moving out of the house. So, and being the whole family together, so it's basically more of family time, and a lot of innovations in cooking everybody is trying to do. Stress after listening to the news, going through the WhatsApp messages. So everything put together is leading to, little difficult on controlling the blood sugar. So basically, first and foremost, it is very, very important to follow the instructions which the government is giving every day of lockdown, and the general instructions which we all have to follow, including my diabetic patients. That is that whenever you get some stuff from outside, maybe milk or vegetables, it needs to be properly cleaned and and then stored. You have to keep on wearing your mask so that you don't catch any aerosol infection, which COVID-19, we all know that it's basically from nasal secretion and coughing and sneezing which people can catch infections. So the basic instructions, basic hygiene, sanitation of hands, sanitation of the items which we are using, which are coming from outside, maintaining social distancing, all those things will remain as general instructions. But for diabetic patients, you have to try and be strict with your diet. Take more of permitted fruits, vegetables, and try and follow some kind of an exercise regime, which could be yoga, which could be walking around in the corridor of the house. After every few hours, you can just take a stroll in the house itself, maybe 20 times, 30 times, so that that step counting can be maintained. You have to try and follow 8,000 to 1,000 steps so that you remain physically fit. Try avoiding snacking. In case you have to snack, then you go on for the healthier versions, like you can have a lot of carrots, radish, cucumber. They are the healthier versions. In permitted fruits, you can binge on apples, you can have melons, watermelons, they are permitted, but kindly stay away from grapes and mangoes and bananas. They can really give a punch in your sugar. So basically on your diet, and be compliant with your medication. You have to arrange your medication well in advance, because you never know, the chemists are also open during few hours only. If you don't have your stock ready, the chemist may be closed in the evening and you may not get your regular medication also. You have to maintain a good, try and chart down your sugar values once or twice in a day. If they are too irregular, if they are going regular, it's fine. Maybe once or twice a week is good enough. But if it is irregular, if the sugars are shooting up, you have to try and maintain a fasting sugar level of 110 and PP within 160. That is the ideal situation. If your sugar is controlled, then your immunity is good, and the tendency to catch an infection will be lower. So these small little steps which you can do and try and maintain good health. I wish you all good health. Happier times will come very soon, and we'll be all happy and parting once again. But till that time, I think little more precautions, trying to take good care of health, because you know everybody is scared to come to the hospital also. So it is better that you maintain good health by your good diet, good lifestyle, and you can be in touch with me if required. If there's an emergency, we are available on the phone, we are available on WhatsApp. You can message your recordings of sugar, and if there is a problem, we'll try and sort it out for you. Thank you so much. Goodbye.